Bad bitch, so bad bitch. But it's gonna look good though, for sure. I'm not gonna have y'all going outside. I wouldn't do that to y'all. Alright, we in a new space, we in a new area. What's up? What's up? So what's up, y'all? It's ᴜ, and today's gonna be a good day. I'm coming to y'all today with the good press-on nails. I did the diamond part, but the press-on nails are from Amazon. Honestly, these are the best. So what I'm gonna be doing today is I'm gonna take these off and I'm gonna do a little Valentine, little pink or whatever, so y'all could see I had to try them on at first to see how they look and how they before I recommend them and stuff like that. But for the most part, they're amazing. And yeah, they didn't give me no problems for real. If one pop off, baby, keep that thing in your purse, okay? I keep that thing with me. Yeah, for real, that's it. So the press-on nails are from Amazon. I'm going to link the description in the box. There's gonna be a link for them in the description box. But literally, I paid $13 for multiple colors. Hold on, let me do a little spread for y'all. Let's get a little spread going. Y'all see me. Y'all see me. Come on, man. You see me. You see me. I'm going to reiterate that today I'm going to be putting y'all on to press-on nails, because we in a whole pandemic. Not everybody be trying to pay full price for their nails and stuff. People trying to cut back on expenses. People are trying to save money and all that good stuff. So I'm coming to y'all with a life hack. Simple. People know about press-on nails, but people don't know about press-on nails. And I'm not the type of person to really do press-on nails for real, or long nails at all. But these really don't give me no problems. If it's gonna come off, it's gonna come off. And then again, that's what that is for. So yeah, I'm gonna go take these off, and then I'm gonna come back to y'all so y'all can see my bare hands, and then we gonna get into the sleigh. The Valentine sleigh. I'm gonna call it the Valentine sleigh. Just realized that I don't have a red. So I think what we gonna do is we gonna do the pink, and then I think I'm gonna keep these middle fingers. White just do it for me. White just do it for me. I'm gonna be back, y'all. Okay, y'all. This is what we got. Right, so we keeping these because these look good. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna use this pink. I was thinking about something with white, something else, maybe my thumb or something, but I don't know. I might do my thumb. Yeah, I'm gonna do the thumb. So we're gonna do all the rest pink, and then my thumb, and then my little finger. Yeah. When you get these, you want to make sure we're gonna start with the pinky to show y'all, but you want to make sure that it fits right in your nail bed. Make sure you have these so you can file. So basically, you want to make sure it's right in the nail bed. It fits. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's just right. And then you want to break it up. You want to put diamonds on it. I suggest you do it before you put the nail on. Here is the nail glue that I have. Basically, this is long lasting. I'm gonna put the other one that I had show y'all earlier. I'm gonna actually put a clip in of what it looks like, but I'm gonna also give y'all the link so y'all could get that real good one. And I don't know where mine went. I think I lost it in the car when I was traveling here from all the places that I went. But yeah, nail first. You don't want to do too much because a little takes you a long way. And I still put a lot on here. it's adhesive, so literally like it's already on. Like it looked good. So again, you want to make sure you go all around, making sure that it fits. I don't know what everybody else's video look like, but this is the bootleg version. But I tell you one thing, my joint be looking, it be looking good. It be looking like a fresh set. I know that's right. I'm doing something right. Don't mind my hamstring. It's like everything business. So, see? Like what? Like what? Like what? Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, sides are in there as well. Like you don't want to do like nothing too small where it's hugging. This one you could literally see like the side of the finger popping out, so you'll want to go one size up just to make sure that you have full coverage. It's that easy. Look at the 3 fingers together. Straight out the nail salon. That's what it's giving me. And I ain't even fouled yet. It's not gonna be perfect, remember, because this is not a salon, but it's gonna look good though, for sure. I'm not gonna have y'all going outside. I wouldn't do that to y'all. Like however you want it to look, like out the nail shop, that's how you need to sit here and make it look. And don't like get up from your chair unless it's exactly how you want it to look. 4 fingers. You'll see me. You see me. Y'all know what I'm thinking. Where my diamonds at? I need them, y'all. Like I love diamonds. Rhinestones. Period. Period. It's better when you say period in your nails than like period. Literally a 3-step process. Oh, I think I'm gonna put diamonds on a white one because let's just follow the trend. I want diamonds on all of them. So y'all, this is what they look like. If the length is the thing for you, like you don't like how long they are, then literally there are like different varieties, different lengths that you can look at. And you can also look at the reviews. Like I was telling y'all in my bender video, make sure you look at the reviews because that's all you gotta do is look at the reviews and be straight. You can hold it down just for like to make sure that your nails don't pop off. If you know have an issue with that, like it might pop off, then just hold it down with another nail. Literally we just did our nails in like 10 minutes. Where did I do that at? Like exactly nowhere. So show me some love. Show me some love. Boom. Here's the final product. It's the final result. Like your girl looks good, okay? A whole sense of like a new bad bitch pops out when you have your nails done. Like it just, you go from bad bitch to bad bitch, okay? Okay. Yeah, this was basically how to do the press-ons. Press-ons good. Now you ladies are going to be popping even more than what you already are. Period. Again, I got them off of Amazon and they were $13. So I will leave the description in the box below. I will leave the link in the description box below. If y'all have any ideas or anything that y'all want me to do or whatnot, just go ahead and put them in the comment section. And yeah, let's turn it up. Let's turn it up. Let's turn it up. Again, here they are. Here the girls. Here the girls. Here the girls. Looking good. So yeah, I'm gonna catch y'all in the next video. If you didn't like, comment, and subscribe, you know what's up. Bye y'all. See you next time.